Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitY. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iCloud storage full on Mac. So if you are seeing an iCloud storage full message, your photos, files, notes, messages or other data may stop syncing properly until some storage become available. One of the easiest way to fix this is by removing old app data that's taking space but is no longer needed. If that isn't enough, you can also upgrade to larger iCloud storage plan. And if you'd like to try to fix this issue, just follow these steps. First, click on the Apple logo at the top and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Apple account and here click on iCloud. Now click on Manage button at the top. Now review the list of apps that are using your iCloud storage. Select the app whose data you no longer needed and click the delete from iCloud or turn off and delete from iCloud button depending on what you see here. After that, a confirmation will appear. Here click on remove from iCloud and again a pop-up will appear. Here click on permanently delete. And if you are still running out of storage after removing unnecessary data, go back and here click on change storage plan. And that's it. Once iCloud should have enough storage, it will start continuing syncing your data normally. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.